Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone max volume too low issue or iPhone full volume but still too quiet problem on your Apple devices. So guys, if you increase the volume of your device but it is still too low, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, the very first solution is that you have to simply turn off reduce loud sounds on your device. So guys, for that, open settings and then you have to go to sounds and haptics and increase the volume from here and then scroll it below, and here you can see reduce loud sound toggle. If it is off, you have to simply turn it on. So as you can see this reduce loud sounds, if it is off you have to simply turn it on. So guys, do this, and after this you have to scroll it below in the settings, and now you have to simply go to accessibility, again scroll it below and go to audio and visuals, and now scroll it below all the way, and from here fix the balance of your speakers as well. So guys, simply adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply check the speakers of your iPhone whether they are working properly or not. So guys, clean them with a brush, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple Service Center for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 1 hour, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.